Burns & McDonnell is leading the way in the transmission and distribution industry in exploring and implementing a variety of 3D technologies. These technologies, including augmented and virtual reality, offer advantages in design accuracy, safety, and efficiency, as they create multiple benefits, both individually and collectively, through each phase of your project. From pre-design through design and construction, and looking ahead to operations and maintenance, 3D technology applications add tremendous value to your projects. But first, it's helpful to understand how we got here. Historically, engineers have relied on two-dimensional drawings, paper documentation, and photographs to conceptualize, design, construct, and manage projects. That represents the vast majority of substations still in use, including some built over 100 years ago. Over time, drawings may fade, people retire or leave the company, pages get lost, or perhaps not created at all. The same goes for equipment specs and all manuals. Any facility modifications quickly become a headache of managing and updating documentation. New technology is alleviating some of these challenges. While there are few real-world examples of end-to-end implementation to date, we can walk you through how these 3D technologies can solve problems and build upon each other to add value over the life of any project. Envision a scenario in which new equipment needs to be added to an existing substation to provide a new service, replace outdated equipment, or repair broken equipment. For the pre-design phase of a project, the area is scanned with LiDAR or captured with photogrammetry. A highly detailed three-dimensional point cloud or mesh is generated and can be imported into various design software packages for analysis and understanding the site logistics. This is just the beginning of where project safety and efficiency can be improved through 3D technology by reducing the number of site visits necessary, clearly documenting clearances and existing conditions for potential new equipment. Renderings and models built from the point cloud, similar to the building information models, or BIM, used in other industries, open new possibilities for engineers. Existing equipment can be virtually replaced or augmented as needed. Interfaces are more easily detected. Further enhancing the models, they can be populated with data and documentation for equipment within the models. As technology continues to advance, these 3D databases will increasingly lead to developing state-of-the-art augmented reality and virtual reality models that allow project sites to be experienced remotely. This ability to call up an experience in a conference room or on a smartphone or tablet further reduced the need for additional site visits, reducing travel and potential safety concerns while enabling more intuitive comprehension of design concepts. Field construction is becoming easier than ever to begin before setting foot on site, thanks to virtualization. Vehicular access, laydown yards, and construction sequencing can be simulated in 3D models, resolving potential conflicts and safety concerns before they arise. The near future looks even more promising. Smart glasses technology, incorporating augmented reality, has tremendous potential to improve safety and efficiency on construction management efforts. Combined with geolocation tagging, equipment can be inventoried, tracked, and updated in as-built databases, further enhancing smart models developed in earlier project phases. Once construction is completed, the project is handed over to the owner. The intelligent model we've been building and adding to becomes an invaluable tool for monitoring asset health. By tying maintenance records to the model and tracking real-time operational changes, potentially with a geolocated 3D interface, patterns can be more easily spotted and problems averted. No need to go searching for maintenance logs if they're already incorporated in the model. This reduces outage time, saving the owner money and creating a safer environment. The intelligent models also have the potential to be an extraordinary training tool for supervisors and field workers. As augmented reality and virtual reality build on the developing technology, they will offer new and safer ways to simulate and study the work environment. Again, smart glasses might offer enhanced views that color code for safety code clearances or offer fast and easy access to documentation and maintenance records for any given piece of equipment. And as safety code clearances change, it will become easier for team members to identify existing areas that are not yet in compliance with the revised clearances. These outages begin with three-dimensional data capture, which leads to models which provides the basis for augmented reality experiences, culminating in an intelligent model to support asset monitoring and facility management. Each piece of 3D technology leads to the next and builds on the one before, providing cascading additional value to the project and its owner. Burns & McDonnell is leading the way in exploring the potential of these complementary technologies. We continue to refine and improve how we help our clients create amazing outcomes as technology keeps evolving and improving.